Hello friend, Mormo here. Today we're going to look at a product called Vid Octopus, and it looks like a good product. I'm sure I could use it in my marketing. You might want to buy it because you can make fan art with it and stuff, and that would be awesome. I know a lot of people in my audience like to make fan art, and you could make more and more fan art with this software and grow your channel and grow my channel. And it would be awesome if you wanted to do that, to make fan art. But the reason I'm not buying this is because I have Canva Pro and can do this kind of work in Canva Pro. I also have StreamYard Pro, and I can make shorts on StreamYard, so I don't really need a software that makes shorts. But you might want to buy this and make some more fan art. That I think that would be incredible. But let's take a look at the sales page real quick. Okay, friends, so here we are on the Vid Octopus AI. Stupidly simple 3-click software generates sales posting, lame 15-second videos exploiting a secret platform that 99.99% of marketers have no idea about. And if they're talking about YouTube Shorts, I think a lot of people already know about YouTube Shorts. Copy the fastest, easiest, and most silliest way to pull in tens of thousands of visitors every single day from YouTube. Oh, there's a video. I haven't watched the video yet. Let's see what it looks like.
Do you know over 96% of marketers quit before they ever...
Looks like a cool video. Limited time commercial license included. Price goes back to monthly. Recurring soon. Groundbreaking software. Get the first mover advantage. Get 100% free traffic and sales. No need to be on camera, no voice, no complex video editing. Be up and running in 5 minutes. Proven and tested method. No experience, no tech skills. Unlimited potential, works in any niche, any offer. It's fully scalable and repeatable. Low one-time price during launch period. Commercial license allowing you to resell these videos for higher profits. Ready for massive traffic commissions. Start here. So you get a commercial license, so like you could buy this and then sell me fan videos probably, or like have relationships with other YouTubers and make fan videos for them, or charge them to make these videos. Find and use other people's viral videos or add your own short script. So it should say or your own there, but I know you can use your own videos. With one click, our AI turns it into an attention-grabbing, highly engaging, and profitable YouTube short video. Upload your video. Use our traffic on demand strategy and start getting real traffic and sales instantly. They're talking about traffic here, how it sucks getting traffic. And YouTube Shorts is the best way to take advantage of this latest trend. And I think you can also put them on Facebook and Instagram. YouTube has 100 million YouTube Shorts creators fund, and they're paying out $5,000 a day to the best Shorts creators. You can get a piece of that. Yeah, I haven't monetized my Shorts. That's probably why they never do any good. I have different ways of making Shorts, but they never really do anything for my channel. I probably haven't made enough. I just do a bunch and then get bored, or I do a couple and then get bored. I discovered a massive opportunity as no one was doing it. All these Shorts. So I could buy this and then make Shorts out of my own videos. Or you could buy this and make Shorts out of my videos. And that would be awesome. There's a quick demo. Let's look at the demo.
Hey, welcome to this quick demo video of VidOctopus AI. If you want the full demo video which explains each feature in detail, which is actually the demo video I recommend for you if you want to learn how to use this in the most effective way possible, then check out the full demo video. This is a quick demo video. I'm going to try and keep it as short as possible and really just give you an overview of how to create YouTube Shorts and publish them using VidOctopus AI. So the main feature is going to be the campaign feature. You have different features here, additional features, which give you the content you can put into your campaign. But eventually, all these different features that you can create will go back into the campaign feature, which is the main feature you're going to be using. We're going to create a new campaign. We're going to call it, I don't know, storytelling something, just for the demo video. Once again, try and make this quick. Now this is VidOctopus AI, which means we have 8 different ways utilizing AI and ChatGPT-4, which is also AI.
Okay, it's a good demo video. He said there was a longer demo video to check out. 100% cloud-based. Pick from our carefully crafted, done-for-you templates or create your own. Fully fledged yet simple editor. Customize your videos. Customize your branding. Add incredible call to action that get people clicking. Social media button, arrows, subscribe button, smileys, GIFs, and lower thirds. That sounds awesome. Shorts Finder. You can drive traffic to your websites and offers. Viral quote generator. That sounds cool. Royalty-free music library. 10 million in-bot premium stock images and videos. That sounds cool. Add real human voiceovers. I don't know how you can't call it an AI. Oh, because you can record your own voiceover. So that's cool. Export your videos in HD or 720p or 1080p. Tons of traffic, easier, faster, and profitable. Save hours and hours of time and effort. No editing skills, budget, or experience required. It's fully scalable and repeatable. Get results in minutes, not days or weeks. It's suitable for complete newbies and experienced marketers alike. Free updates in forever. 24/7 support and 100% uptime guaranteed. Then there's all these bonuses. You get the commercial license so you can sell videos that you make. You get the live web class. Like, I'm always thinking of horror hosts, so I could, like, I'm friends online with a bunch of horror hosts, so I could like make a bunch of shorts out of their videos and then send them the file to the shorts that they can upload. I think that would be a really cool thing to do. Real smart thing to do. Traffic on demand cheat sheet. Like, you could help people with this software, basically. Other YouTubers. 100 YouTube Shorts channels list to spy and take inspiration. Unshakable super affiliate. Become a successful social media influencer. TikTok marketing checklist. Yeah, you could upload to TikTok, Instagram. Easy video strategies. 100 times YouTube advertising. VidOctopus AI is the perfect choice for affiliate marketers, YouTube content creators, make money online, bloggers and podcasters, business owners, founders, CEOs, CMOs, founders, e-com and Shopify store owners, social media marketers, coaches, mentors, or gurus, and anyone else who wants free, stress-free, and easy traffic. So what's the price? You get all of that. $17.95 on the front end, and then there's a bunch of upsales. I got the JV page right here, and we'll look and see the upsales. See, there's a downsell on every upsale, so be sure if you buy any upsales to get the downsell. You can save $10 off of the Pro version, which is pretty cool. Anyways, let's go back to the webcam. Okay, friends, so that's the sales page for VidOctopus. It's claiming that it makes these little 15-second shorts that can give you all kinds of free traffic, and I'll be open and upfront about my own experience in that I've never got any traffic. Like, when shorts launched a little while ago, I uploaded a couple shorts, and the first short I uploaded got like over 600 views. So it did get some views, but like, I've uploaded shorts many times, and they perform worse than my longs do. And so, I don't know, but maybe if you're uploading a lot of shorts, a couple of them will go viral or something. I'm not sure how it works, but I look at like, I would love to get some fan art if somebody bought this and made me some fan art. And I don't know. Right now I can't buy it because it doesn't launch until 9 a.m. tomorrow. So even if I wanted to buy it, I couldn't buy it. But like I say, I already have methods for doing shorts. So I don't really need a new method for doing shorts. I can do shorts on StreamYard Pro, or I can do shorts on Canva Pro. So I don't really need the software to do shorts, but if you want to do a bunch of shorts, and if you want to do more shorts, that would be awesome. There's an affiliate link in the description. If you buy through it, I'll get a commission. And that's VidOctopus, and thanks so much.